Continue to try and find the source of this leak. This tough economy is forcing many people to look for different ways to make quick cash, and today many Valley residents headed to a storage unit in Huntsville for an auction. WAFF 48's Christine Pay was there. Christine, for some people this is big business, not just about shopping.
Yes, Margot, these storage auctions are popularized by the TV show Storage Wars. Well, a Huntsville storage complex had his very own today, and one man I talked to says his entire livelihood depends on auctions like these.
Dale Wooten drove all the way from DeKalb County for this.
4.5, what do you get, 475? 4.5, what do you get, 470?
From floor cleaners to laundry machines, these storage units have it all. But for many, this isn't a shopping opportunity, it's a means of income.
It's the only income. It's the wife and I's business, and I had lost my job prior to taking over the business 3 years ago.
Many of these people are here for business. Some people are looking to furnish a home. Some people are looking to furnish their thrift stores.
Christy Clark is a property manager at Execuplex Mini Storage.
We contract an auctioneer to come out, and we just walk around to each unit. We raise the door. You get a couple of minutes to look at what's inside the unit, and the bidding starts.
But bidders are facing more competition as these auctions become more popular.
The show has shed some more light to it, has brought a lot more people out. Before we would have maybe 10 or 15 people. Now we have 60 or 75, 100 people show up.
And that competition makes it harder for others to make their living.
Right now it's been kind of tough because, like I say, they bring 3 or 4 times what they did 3 years ago.
Now, the property manager says Alabama state law requires a 30-day notice to the storage tenant before their belongings are auctioned off. Reporting live in the newsroom, Christine Pay, WAFF 48 News.
Thank you, Christine.